Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Bonjour.
Bonjour,
Bonjour.
Bonjour, madame.
Comment allez-vous?
Bonjour, madame.
Comment
Ça va
allez-vous?
bien, merci.
Mercy.
Très bien, très bien. Why no one is talking to me?
Merci.
How will you ask the question, how are you, to your teacher?
Comment allez-vous?
Comment allez-vous? Oui. Yes, practice. If you don't use, then you will forget. Okay. So, comment allez-vous? Très bien. Ça va. Okay, so last week, children, last week we had our reading test, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay. And today we are going to learn how to greet each other in French. Okay, so those who have textbook, you can take page number 17. Page number 17. Those who have textbook, take page number 17. 17. And that's the beginning of the lesson 1. Lesson 1 in French, we will read as lesson 1. Lesson 1. Ending letter N will be silent. We will not pronounce this N. Pronunciation will be lesson. Lesson 1. Try to repeat. Lesson 1.
Lesson on.
Oui, lesson 1.
Lesson on.
Page number, see, look at the board I have written there. Page number 17. 17. Lesson 1. That is lesson 1 in French. And the name of the chapter, see the heading, Didou apprendre le français. Didou apprendre le français. Here, Didou. Who's this Didou?
A mouse name.
Yes, you can see in the textbook. In the textbook, you can see there one mouse is there. One mouse is standing there. See, waving the hands. There here. Yes, that mouse name is Didou. And Didou is a small mouse who's just 2 or 3 years old, 4 years old, and Didou is going to learn French. That is the name of the chapter. Didou apprendre. And apprendre means to learn. Apprendre means to learn. Didou is the name of mouse. Name of mouse. Didou is the name of the mouse, and apprendre means to learn. And what is Didou going to learn? Le français. What is Didou going to learn? Le français. What is le français? What is the meaning of le français? French. Oui, Didou is going to learn French. Didou apprendre le français. That means Didou to learn French. So when Didou is going to learn French, we are also going to learn French along with Didou. When Didou will learn numbers, we will also learn numbers. When Didou will learn colors, we are also going to learn colors also in French. Now today, Didou is going to learn greetings. How to greet people in French. How to greet each other in French, we are going to see in this chapter. And for greetings in French, we will say les salutations. Les salutations.
Les salutations.
I muted everyone for some time. You can repeat over there. Les salutations. Les salutations. L-E-S pronunciation is les. Then salut, S-A-L-U, salut. T-A-T, ta. C-O, T-I-O-N. When we have T-I-O-N in French pronunciation, listen all of you, T-I-O-N, excuse me. When we have letters T-I-O-N in French together, the pronunciation will be C-O. When we have letters T-I-O-N together in French, pronunciation will be C-O. Les salutations. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Les salutations. Okay, you have to try to read this word. Now I am going to write something here. Please wait. One more. Okay, so les salutations. Now I am going to write here one word. You have to try to read that one. Okay, if possible, try to read in French, not in English. Okay. How will you read this?
Communication. Communication.
Who said that? Say it again, Mitra.
Communication.
Trebia, Trebia. Very good, Mitra. Communicatio. Communicatio. We see in English, we will read this as communication. Same spelling, okay? But in French, communication is having same spelling. Pronunciation is little bit different. Here, when we have letters T-I-O-N together, pronunciation will be C-O. Communicatio.
Communication.
We, Chaitanya, Trebia, proper pronunciation, communicatio.
Communication.
We. Then next one more word I am going to write. Try to read.
Information. Information.
Trebia, Joseph. Informatio.
Information.
What is informatio? In English, how will you read this one?
Information.
Information. Yes, information is having same spelling in French also. It is having same spelling in French also, but pronunciation will be informatio. Okay, so I hope you understood. In French, when we have letters T-I-O-N together, pronunciation will be C-O. This one, if you want, you can write in your textbook. Write in your textbook. See, those who have textbook, you can take page number 17. Take page number 17. And here, in blue letters, you will be able to see Les salutations. Les salutations in blue letters. Blue letters, les salutations. So underline T-I-O-N. Underline T-I-O-N. And then you have to write, you can write like this. C-O, S-I-Y-O. C-O, that means T-I-O-N pronunciation is C-O. Then you will understand when you read it. When you practice your reading session, that time you will get it. Okay? Then, for what is the meaning of les salutations? Anyone?
Greetings.
Greetings. Oui. Les salutations means greetings. Les salutations means greetings. So, let's learn how to greet in French. Okay?
Which page number?
Page number is 17, dear. Page number 17 written on the top. See? Page number 17, 1-7. So first we are going to learn how to say hi to your friends. When you see your friends, how will you say hi? Salut. Oui, salut. First one is salut. You all know the pronunciations. How do you know the pronunciation? Salut. Oui.
Salut.
Salut means hi. Here, ending letter T will be silent. Ending letter T will be silent when you pronounce it. But when you write the spelling, don't forget to write T. S-A-L-U-T. That is the spelling. But when you pronounce, T will be silent there. Salute. Salute. And salute means hi. Hi. Salute. Salute. Say salute. Okay. And salute you can use to greet your friends. To greet your friends, you will use salute. How will you greet your friends? You will say salute. Okay? Salute is how you greet your friends. And next one, and one more thing. Will you use salute to greet your teacher? Will you say salute your teacher?
No.
No, we don't use salute to greet the teachers or elders. Will you say salute to your uncle?
No.
No. Will you say salute to your father?
No.
No, don't use salute to elders. If the person is elder than you, then you can't use salute. Even though we will say, my father is my friend, my uncle is my friend. But we can't use salute to greet your father and your uncle, even elders. Okay? Only use bonjour to greet elders. Otherwise, salute you can only use to your friends. Salute you can only use with your friends, to greet your friends. And to greet your teachers, greet elders, you have to use bonjour. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour here. For bonjour, ending letter R will be silent. For bonjour, ending letter R will be silent. We will not say bonjour. R will be silent. Pronunciation is bonjour. Tell me, how will you say good morning, ma'am?
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madame. Say it again.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madame. Très bien. And bonjour, madame means good morning, ma'am. Then we are moving to the next one. Third one. Someone said, Advait?
Bonsoir.
Très bien, très bien. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Pronunciation is bonsoir. How will you pronounce this?
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir. Oui.
Bonsoir.
Ending letter R will be silent. Here also, ending letter R will be silent and pronunciation is bonsoir. What is the meaning of bonsoir?
Good evening.
Good evening. Bonsoir means good evening. And how will you say good evening, ma'am?
Bonsoir, madame.
Bonsoir, madame. How will you say?
Bonsoir, madame.
Bonsoir, madame. Okay. Then here, when I pronounced bonsoir, see the spelling. Spelling of bonsoir. Keep everyone, keep your finger in the word bonsoir. And the spelling B-O-N-S-O-I-R. O and I is there. Did I pronounce I there? When I said bonsoir, I pronunciation is there?
No.
No, I is not pronouncing. I is not pronouncing. I didn't pronounce as OE. I didn't say OE. That is because when you have OI together in French, pronunciation will be OUA. When you have letters OI together in French, pronunciation will be OUA. So this one, those who have textbook, you can write in your textbook. See, bonsoir word is here. Bonsoir word is here. Underline OI. Underline OI. And write OUA. Bonsoir. Like this. BONSOIR. Underline OI and write UA. Then you will understand. You will get when you practice OI, when you have letter pronunciation will be UA. Bonsoir. Bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
We. Then next one. Fourth one.
Bienvenue.
Bienvenue. Fourth one is bienvenue. How will you pronounce it? Bienvenue. Oui, bienvenue means welcome. What is the meaning of bienvenue?
Welcome.
Welcome. Bienvenue means welcome. Oui. And here also one thing, when we have IEN, pronunciation will be IA. When we have IEN, pronunciation will be IA. You can underline IEN and write IA. I will write here for you. DIENVENUE. In the textbook, those who have textbook, you can write in a textbook itself. Underline IEN in your textbook and write IA. IYA. IA. See, here is the word bienvenue. Here you will be able to see bienvenue. Underline IEN and write IA.
Bienvenue.
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 Oui. Bienvenue.
Bienvenue.
Répétez s'il vous plaît tout le monde. Les salutations.
Les salutations.
Salut. Bonjour. Bonsoir. Bienvenue.
New.
Again. Salut. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonsoir. Bienvenue. Les salutations. One more time, and after this I will ask you to read. So all of you repeat and listen to the pronunciation carefully. Les salutations.
Bonjour.
Salut. Bonjour. Bonsoir. Bienvenue. D'accord. Okay, now Meenakshi, please read.
Ma'am, we want to write.
Yes, all of you, you take your rough book. Take your rough book and write and study the 4 words I put tick here. 4 words I put tick here. You have to write and study for 5 times along with the meanings. Along with the meanings, you have to write and study for 5 times now in the class. And after the class, evening also, evening, you have to write and study 5 times again. So total 10 times you have to write and study. Now in the class, 5 times and evening 5 times again. And next class, I will ask you to show your books. I will ask to show your books in the next class. I will check everyone's book.
Ma'am, salut and bonjour and bonsoir. I write 5 times one time already.
Already you wrote. Okay, okay.
Ma'am, Wilfred rough book.
Wilfred no not have rough book. Write in a paper if you have. Write in a paper.
I have.
Then one more thing, listen all of you, there will be a written test in the next week. Next French class, you will have a written test. You have to prepare and come the page numbers 20, 21, 22 and 23. I will write on the board. Page written test. I will also put in the WhatsApp group. Written test. Prepare and come all of you. Write and study the spelling. It is not.
Right.
It is not.
This.
It is not a Google form test, written test. So write and study the spellings, meanings. Okay, learn the spellings, learn the meanings, and come. And written test, page numbers, page number 20, 21, 22 and 23. In page number 23, we have learned accents. We have learned les accents in French. We learned l'accent aigu, l'accent grave, l'accent circonflexe. See this page? This page we learned the accents. L'accent aigu, l'accent grave, l'accent circonflexe, cédille, tréma, and examples also we learned. Two examples also we learned. I already see, listen everyone. Two examples we learned. The examples that we learned mostly is not there in the textbook. The examples that we learned, it is not there in the textbook. So when you study, you have to take your notebook and study. I send you the notes, right? In notes, page number part 1. Notebook part 1. I already sent the notes to you. If there is anyone who didn't see the part 1 notes, you have to check. Did everyone complete part 1 notes in your book? Notebook?
Yes.
Yes. Everyone completed part 1 notes?
Yes.
Okay, I will send message one more time today. I will send to complete part 1 notes one more time today so that those who didn't complete can complete it. Part 1 notes, I will send it again. It is also uploaded in the your website. WhatsApp group, I will send it again. Those who haven't copied yet, please do copy. And for the test, for the written test, when you learn, prepare, study along with the notes. Study the words in notes also. Study the words in notebook also. Okay, part 1 notes you have to learn. Part 1 notes. Part 1 notes. Lesson 1, part 1 notes. Okay, so you have 1 week to prepare, write and study, prepare well and come. It is not a Google form test. You can't click from the options. You can't choose from the options. Direct questions will come. Direct questions will come. Learn the meanings. Questions will come like this. Translate the following words to English or translate the following words to French. I will write. Listen, translate the following words to French. I can write here. Baby. Sorry, désolé moi. I will give you the English word baby, and I will ask you to translate this to French. How will you translate this to French?
Baby.
Yes, baby. You will write here baby. So like this. I will ask you to translate, and I will give you the in French words like this. French words. Wagon, and I will ask you to write the meanings. What is the meaning of wagon? What is the meaning of wagon?
Wagon.
Not wagon. What is the meaning of wagon?
Train.
Train. Yes,
Goods
it's a goods
train.
train. It is a goods train. Write properly. Goods train. Don't write car or vehicle there. Goods train. Wagon is a goods train. This is, so I will ask you to write the meanings. Then for accents, I will give you a chance to ask doubt. Okay, wait. And for accents, page number 23, accents, questions can come like this. Put the missing accent. Put the missing accent. You have to rewrite this word and put the missing accent. So how will you put the missing accent? Where will you put the accent?
On
Top of E. Which accent you will put? Can we put this accent on E? Ague. We axo ague we will put and put the accent properly like this. Don't put the accent like this. If you put the accent like this, I will not give mark. I don't know this accent. I haven't taught you this accent. So write properly the accents. And the next word I taught you. A-L-A-4. We learned A-L-A-4, right? Yes, we learned A-L-A-4. Put the accent. Try to put like so ague, like this.
Yes.
Yes, so learn the words, accents properly and come. Okay? If you learn, then it will be very easy.
Ma'am.
We, Advait.
No, Parvati, ma'am.
Oh, okay, Parvati.
Already also 5 times write and study this.
Trebia, Parvati, Trebia. Anyone is having doubt? Any doubt regarding the written test?
Yes.
Click on the hand raise symbol. Click on the hand raise symbol. If you have any doubt regarding the written test, click on the hand raise symbol. Ritika, you have any doubt? No. Okay. Evelyn, come on, Evelyn. Ask. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Evelyn, what's your doubt? Which?
How many questions are there in the
Written test will be out of 10 marks. 10 marks. Total 10 marks. Okay? I can't say how many questions now because I didn't prepare the question paper yet. Parvati, you have any doubt, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
We have to write only the answer.
Yes, you have to write only the answers. You don't have to write the question. That test paper, written test day, I will tell you. Next week, French period, you will have your written test. You can remove that hand raise symbol from the screen, Evelyn and Parvati. Haya, unmute and read the following words written on the screen. Salute. First word. Le salutatio.
Le salutatio.
Hmm?
Salut.
Hmm?
Bonjour.
Hmm? Then bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Hmm? Bienvenue.
Bienvenue.
Read again. Haya.
Salut.
Hmm?
Bonjour.
Hmm? Read. Bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Hmm?
Bienvenue.
Très bien, Haya. Bennett, read.
Ma'am, after that, we can read.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Le salutatio.
Hmm.
Salut.
Hmm.
Bonjour.
Hmm.
Bonsoir.
Hmm.
Bienvenue.
Très bien, Bennett. Then Advait, PM.
Les salutations.
Hmm.
Salut.
Hmm.
Ma'am, already can read next.
See, someone is reading. Don't disturb. Read.
Salut
Hmm.
means hi.
Hmm.
Bonjour
Hmm.
means good morning.
Hmm.
Bonsoir means good evening.
Hmm.
Bienvenue means welcome.
Très bien, Advait. Ensuite, Anurag Nair. Anurag.
Oui, madame.
Read.
Les salutations. Salut. Bonjour. Bonsoir. Bienvenue.
Très bien, Anurag. Ensuite, Mitra.
Les salutations. Salut. Bonjour. Bonsoir. Bienvenue.
Très bien, Mitra. Ensuite, Krishna.
Salut.
Les salutations.
Les salutations means greetings. Salute means hi. Bonjour
Bonjour.
means good morning. Bonsoir means good evening. Bienvenue means welcome.
Très bien, Krishna. Now, children, let me take the attendance. Please respond in French itself. Or how will you say present, ma'am, in French? Present, ma'am, test paper. Au revoir.
Au revoir.